is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
This is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
Moment, it is the Master 70 Woman V6, 1,000 metres, 3 turns. Lane 1, it is there, 59 Kaihitu from Tauva'i. In lane 2, it is FGPC, north of 70, Canada. Lane 3, USA, Team Phoenix. Lane 4, Aotearoa, New Zealand, Waitakere, Wildfire. In lane number 5, it is Australia, Team Stomp, Mooloolaba, Outreach Canoe Club. Here they go, heading to their first turn of this race. 3 turns it is, ladies and gentlemen. It is hard work out there. I will say it again, as I've said over the last 4 days. These turns can make or break your race. You can make a huge gain or suffer a huge loss, depending on what you do in these turns. Here they go, they're angling in over there in lane number 2 and out here in 5. We're probably in 6, should I say. We're the ones that turned in first. As we get up there, it is over there, lane number 1, Hawaii down here. Australia have put in a good turn as the rest of these crews almost negotiated their first turn of 3 as they come back down the race course. So we all have negotiated the turns. We will have a beautiful view down here on the start-finish line of how they do these turns and the technique and the timing that has to happen to make sure we get around 180 degrees. Look at them on the water there. It is on the far side in lane number 2, I believe it is, who've got the lead there. Or lane 1, or 2, should I, 3, or 3, is it there? We'll just have to wait and see there. It is out there on lane number 1, Hawaii. It is 59 Kaihitu. In the lane 2, it is Canada. In lane 3, it is USA. In lane 4, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 5, Australia. And we'll see them line up to see who's got the best out of these first 2 legs here as they come down for their penultimate turn. Look at them, they're coming to that marking line there. That's 40 metres, I believe, as they get down there, or 50 metres, should I say. They coming in there. These next line markers, they are 15 metres out from that turn, and then they have to stay in their lane. They get out there. The number 6 goes in for a mighty big runner. They do out there. They hang out there in lanes 2, seats 2 and 3, 1 and 2, should I say. Oh, they're coming around like a mirror image. They're in and out. That is on both sides of the race course. That is that is Hawaii on the far side, and Australia here closest to us on the big. Looking good, settle down, calm the farm. Let's see how we go there. They are going down, 1 more turn to go. That's all it is. Again, any drama. We don't want drama. whenever in the turn we want to make sure that we just get around safely and get around enough speedily and get their way all the way back home. Away they go. So you can see that sort of stretched out. One crew there, probably not their best turn, but that has had an impact on them as they've dropped back a little bit. So now it's in there. It's out there in lane number 2, and it's Canada. Canada have got up there. They are in the lead down here in lane number 5. It is Australia. Let's see how we go with this final turn as they get up towards there. It's going to be interesting indeed to see as they go up there. No doubt Canada's got the lead. The fight now is for second and third, and anything can happen in these turns as they go in. Canada heading in there. On the outside here, who do we have there? It is Australia. And lane number 5, Aotearoa, New Zealand, and 4. They have got a good turn. They'll be up there or thereabouts also as they have an issue out there. They put it around. Here they come. It is 250 metre drag race now. There are no more turns, no more to be done. It is just a straight line now. So it's just a straight line speed that we are looking for. It was Canada out there in front, Hawaii on the far side. They are up there too. Down here in 5, it is going to be Australia who are pushing up there. That's where it's going to be. Australia have got the lead. Australia have pushed up. They're putting in the big ones. Can Canada, can they respond as they push up here? Australia, Canada at the moment on the far side. It is Hawaii in 1. Australia have extended their lead. Look at them go. Team Stop, they call themselves. Mululuba Outrigger Canoe Club. Across there, it is far north of 70. It is Canada still trying hard. It's not over though. It's over. Here they come. They come through those last or final marker, boys. Not far to go. I think it's sewing up at this time. Put your hands together or get ready. As they done it well. It is Team Storm, Malulaba. And then it will be Canada, Hawaii. Oh my goodness. Fantastic racing. And we have a race on the race course. It is race number 283, the Junior 19 Woman V1 500 metre semi-final number 2. This will be a hot one, don't go away. They are smoking down this race course. In lane 1, we're Sarah Kinu from New Caledonia. In lane 2, Melissa Whittington, USA. In 3, Hinaiki Pahero from Tahiti. In lane number 4, it is Hine Kaukura booking Aotearoa, New Zealand. In lane 5, Jocelyn Washington, USA. Lane number 6, Laurelia Tiamamai, Tahiti. In lane number 7, Rachel Pierce, it's Hawaii. In lane number 8, Michaela Benavides. Here they come, lane number 4 at the moment, looking strong out there. A big lead, it's Hine Kaukura booking from Aotearoa, New Zealand, chasing hard. Hanaiki Paheru from Tahiti. Stuck on the tail at the moment. They're not going to let go easily from that out there, as the rest of these probably on the far side there. In lane number 1, should I say, it is looking up there. Sarah Siakinu looking maybe up there in 3rd place. The rest of them coming down this race course now. We've gone well past the halfway. The competition is in lane 4 and lane 3. It is Aotearoa, New Zealand. It is Tahiti. It is Hine Kahukura booking. It is Hanaiki Pahiru from Tahiti. And she's responding. She's trying to get back up there, pushing up hard as well. And then also responding is Hine Kahukura, as pushing out. They put in a couple of big strokes. Look at the distance between them. The two of them are pushing each other along. Lane 3, lane 4, they've maintained the same distance, so maybe drawing away a little bit. Hine Kahukura booking is going to be up there. She's going to push it all the way through. Chased hard by Hanaiki, and she comes up, and there's there Aotearoa, and then there's Tahiti as we come through. Who's still pushing? This one's a big one out on the outside lanes here. Oh, 5 and 6, too hard to call on that one. Great racing, back to more calls. Red flag on the water, indicating us starting our next race. It is 284 Master 50 Women V1 500 semi-final number 1. Coming up to the start line. full race course out there. We have a start in race number 284, the Master 51 V1 500 metre semi-final number 1. In lane 1, Australia, Kathy White. In lane 2, Singapore, Sarah Burke. In lane 3, Australia, Emma Morgan. In lane 4, Hawaii, Rilo Carrillo. In lane number 5, it is USA, Susie Strasula. In lane 6, it is Aotearoa, New Zealand, Vesna Radanik. In lane number 7, it is there, Great Britain, it's Stephanie Mullins. And rounding off this field from Australia in lane 8, it is Nia Rudolph looking there. Right, I think that's her on the screen, on the big screen, down there close. She's got the lead. She's out there in front at this moment in time. Always good. Very strong start there. But it's not over yet, and so they push up there, looking in the middle of the race course. Lane number 4 is looking strong. That's Rilo Carrillo from Hawaii. Out the far side of her, Australia, Emma Morgan has been putting in some big ones too as they come down the race course. Sarah Burke of Singapore in lane number 2 across there.